Pruning a tree can improve its appearance, prevent pests and disease, and help the tree grow strong and healthy. The best time to prune a tree is during the dormant season, or late winter through early spring. You'll need pruning shears to cut branches less than 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters in diameter, and you'll need a handsaw to remove branches up to 4 inches or 10 centimeters in diameter. For thicker branches, you can use a small chainsaw. When pruning, aim to remove any dead, broken, or diseased branches, as well as any downward growing limbs or branches that are entangled or crossed. Remove any suckers, which look like small stems that grow up from the ground or base of the trunk. You should also remove any branches that are bigger in diameter than the trunk. Thin some of the branches in an overcrowded tree to allow more light and air to reach the crown. You can also remove lower branches to raise the crown if you need more clearance under the tree. Cut close to the branch collar, the swollen area at the base of the branch when pruning. Properly pruning young trees is especially important so they grow to be healthy and well-structured. Prune back any crossing branches or branches that grow in toward the middle of a young tree. Be sure to cut off lower branches on the trunk as the tree grows to raise the crown. It is also important to remember that when you're pruning a young tree, avoid cutting the leader or the vertical stem at the very top of the trunk. Some types of trees require special care when pruning to prevent disease, pests, and growing problems, so always research your tree's specific requirements before pruning it.